I benefit the time to go running, but it's very hard because today a little bit better, not too humid. So I benefit from that. Otherwise, it's very hard to run in Calbayog. But I try my best. Hello, my friend. Yeah, they will call you. Hello, my friend. Oh, my battery died. Yeah. So, yes. Look at this. What is this here? Hello, my friend. I don't know how to try. Hey, trash. Trash. Oh, so those are trash. Cleaning the city. But there's some places where they still struggle. Even though they still struggle, but there's some great ideas that they have, like cleaning that city. Something I really appreciate. And this is the city hall, by the way. Here we have one of the oldest church you can get, and that church is behind me. I will show you there, and I'm gonna go there. I will show you around.